Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or adjust text font color in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and I'll adjust all of this text font color. Now select this home option and now click on this edit option and then click on this text color and press Ctrl to select all text box and click on this format tools option and this text color option. I will apply here default black color. And see this text now apply default black color and also I'll apply here this default black color and see this text color now adjusted. In this way you can remove or adjust your text color and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.